Hello everyone, welcome back to GK Today. I am Palak Khandelwal. Today we are discussing the top MCQ which are related to the banking, economy and finance current affairs of 22nd of April 2022. So this series is beneficial for all banking exam aspirants. Okay, so now question number 1. Sri Lanka approaches the IMF through which channel to borrow USD 4 billion? So the correct answer of this question is option C, that is rapid financial instrument. So recently, Sri Lanka has approaches the IMF facing a BOP crisis under a window called Rapid Financing Instrument. So basically, Sri Lanka is facing a balance of payment crisis. The situation is said to have even worse because of government policy of phasing out fertilizer-based farming and completely shifting to organic. So basically, the borrowing under the BRI of China is one of the major factors for default on international import obligations. Okay, so now question number 2. What is the State Bank of India's proposed new MCLR? So the correct answer of this question is option B, that is 7.10%. So recently, home, auto and other loan would become costlier as the country's largest lender, that is State Bank of India, has increased the benchmark lending rate, or also known as MCLR, by 0.2%, a development followed by other lenders also. So the new rate are effective with immediate effect. So basically SBI has increased the lending rate by 20 basis point across all tenders up to 3 years. So now SBI's overnight 1 month tandem marginal cost of funds based lending rate, also known as MCLR, stand at 8.1% as against 7.9%. Okay, so now question number 3. What is the amount of Bitcoin tax imposed in the budget for 2022? So the correct answer of this question is option A, that is 30%. So the Honorable Finance Minister Srimati Nirmala Sitharaman registered India's stand on cryptocurrency at the International Monetary Fund. So basically a cryptocurrency refers to a currency that works on decentralized system without having the need of central regulator. So it is therefore prone to the misuse for the terror financing, money laundering, etc. using darknet. So the government of India levy a tax of 30%. Okay, so now question number 4. What is the IMF's forecast for India's GDP growth in fiscal year 2023? So the correct answer of this question is option B, that is 8.2%. So the International Monetary Fund has reduced the India's GDP forecast, aiming rising fuel prices to 8.2% for the financial year 2023. So the banking on private consumption expenditure, the IMF is the World Economic Outlook has reduced India's GDP growth by 0.8% from 9 to 8.2%. So the IMF suggests India take up capital expenditure as a way of forwarding. India's capital expenditure for the year has been announced to tune of 6 lakh crore under the National Infrastructure Fund. Okay, so now question number 5. Which bank has been declared the Sealant Model 2022 winner? So the correct answer of this question is option D, that is IndusInd Bank. So the IndusInd Bank has been awarded the Global Silent Model Bank Award under the category of Payment System Transformation for building a best-in-class enterprise payment hub. So the award recognizes the bank's outstanding journey in creating a cloud-based central payment hub. So the award is given by the Sealant Landing Research and Advisory Firm focused on technology for financial institutions globally. So this payment hub is capable of seamlessly processing high transaction loads originating across all form of payment instruction and across all originating client touchpoints. Okay, so now question number 6. Cons of the consequences of Russia invasion of Ukraine. The World Bank has reduced its global growth prediction for 2022 by how much percentage? So the correct answer of this question is option C, that is 3.2%. So according to UN report released, India's projected economic growth for 2022 has been downgraded by more than 2% to 4.6%, a decrease attributed to the ongoing war in Ukraine. So New Delhi is expected to face restriction on energy accessing and price as well as trade sanction, food inflation, tightening policy and financial instability. Okay, so now question number 7. SBI has raised how much money over 3-year period by syndicated loan facility at awesome price through It's IFSG GIFT City branch. So the correct answer of this question is option B, that is USD 500 million. So the State Bank of India, India's largest commercial bank, has raised USD 500 million through a 3-year syndicating loan facility by its International Financial Service Center. So the Gujarat International Finance Tech City branch, the facility is worth USD 400 billion with a USD 100 million green shoe option. So the SBI on the other hand did not provide pricing information. So the SBI's GIFT City branch has raised its first offshore USD secure overnight financing rate linked syndicated loan. Okay, so now 8th question. Which firm has introduced the world's first crypto-backed payment card in collaboration with Mastercard and DiPocket? So the correct answer of this question is option D, that is Naxo. So the London-based cryptocurrency lender Naxo has joined hands with the global payment company Mastercard to launch the world's first crypto-backed payment card. So the electronic money firm DigiPocket is the Naxos card user. So the card requires no minimum repayment, monthly or inactivity fee. So there are the no FX fees for up to 20,000 euro per month. So the interest remain at 0% for the customer who maintain a loan to value ratio of 20% or above. Okay, so now 9th question. The International Monetary Fund has reduced India's GDP growth prediction in financial year 23 by how many percentage? So the correct answer of this question is option C, that is 8.2%. So the International Monetary Fund has slashed the GDP growth forecast for India's financial year 23 to 8.2% in the latest World Economic Outlook report released on 19th of April 2022. So previously in January report, this was estimated at 9%. So basically IMF also cut India's financial year 2024 GDP growth forecast to 6.9%. Previously, this was 7.1%. In case of global economy, IMF also cut growth forecast for the calendar year 2022 to 3.6% from 4.4%. Okay, so now last question. Who among the following has been appointed Wipro's India's country head? So the correct answer of this question is option B, that is Satya Ishwarani. So the IT major Wipro has announced the appointment of Satya Ishwarani as a country head for India. He will be in charge of the strengthening Wipro business in India across segments through strategic consulting, transformation and modernization engagement. So he will help client leverage Wipro's capabilities and investment in cloud, digital engineering, research and development, data analytics and cyber security. So India is a strategic market for the Wipro. Okay.